These are family-created special needs trusts. This is part of the estate planning process, that long slide I talked about. These are funded by a parent, grandparent, guardian, friend of the family, uncles. They're created during lifetime, or they're created at death through a will or irrevocable or living trust. This is, I have a child, receives certain supports, works at the ARC, and I want to leave 25% of my IRA for this child. And if I do that, I'm going to blow up all their benefits and all their supports. So I'm going to put it in a special needs trust. And it's going to be totally discretionary. Now, this is not money coming from the beneficiaries. This is money coming from, again, the parents and the family. And I'm going to create this trust, and that way, and the trustee is going to be directed, don't you dare give my child a nickel if it's going to screw up the benefits. And if you do that, there's an amendment provision written within the trust document. Okay. Maryland has its own special needs trust statute. It's a form, 1 to 2 page form. You can find it right in the statute. You can find it online. It's called the Maryland Discretionary Trust Act. The limitations on what you can do with your child here are incredible. That's why I'll show it to people, but I will never recommend it because it doesn't do what families want it to do, like horseback riding, like vehicle modifications or a brand new van, like nursing licenses in Delaware. It doesn't do that. It's very restrictive, and it's very restrictive on what the investment advisors can do. I like to go to my investment team, guys, and give them the money and say, this is the goal. This is the family's goal. We want to invest it aggressively. We want to invest it conservatively. We want to create income for the child or for the trust. You can't do that. Common law special needs trusts are the ones we develop ourselves. They're private, they're discretionary, and the only limitation is that we don't disqualify somebody's supports. That whatever payments we make out of them do not screw up somebody's supports.